These are the ties that have been brought in for cleaning, and we dry clean all ties. I look for spots on them. It might be where they've put a pin, and it might not. This one is a polyester. I check it to see if maybe I can just rub this spot out a little, but it doesn't look like on this one. And then I grabbed another tie. And this should have been done, but it wasn't done up front. And it's something we have to be careful of whenever we put ties in dry cleaning. There is a tie pin left in. So we would then have to pull the tie pin. We would put it in a plastic bag and hang it to the hanger that has the ticket of these garments. Just wanted to show that for you. It's something you don't leave in a dry cleaning machine. And we check all pockets, everything, to make sure there is nothing left in a machine. I have pulled off the clip, and I will put that in a plastic bag. This one I noticed doesn't have any real spots, so I will put that aside, and that can go in the dry cleaning machine as it is to freshen it up. But this one has a slight spot. So what I will do is start with a little water. I have put a little of this on it. This is a little awesome. Since this is a polyester tie, I could just use a regular, what would be a detergent cleaner of different sites. And then I would just rub it gently. And then I would use against the grain my little pick here. And then I can put it in the spot should be removed, and I think it is. And then sometimes you have to really work at spots, but I've been quite lucky on this garment. I can put this in the dry cleaning machine and through a silk cycle.